Malacanang assures that the government's economic team and the central bank are closely monitoring the country's inflation rate to control its impact on the people. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma says such economic issues as inflation, poverty, and job creation are gut-level issues that make the people look to the government for help. Rocky Ignacio reports.
The Aquino administration is prioritizing measures to maintain affordable prices of basic commodities, salary adjustment for government workers, and the fight against graft and corruption in the country. Presidential Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma said this amidst the latest Pulse Asia survey conducted September 8 to 15, showing that many of Filipinos are interested in affordable food supplies and additional compensation for state workers.
Masigasig ang pamahalaan sa pamagitan ng ating National Price Coordination Council to monitor, track, and regulate the price of important food and basic commodities. Patuloy nila itong sinusubaybayan para ma-impluwensya yung galaw ng presyo dito doon sa pagiging resonable, no, at kung pwede pang mababaan para sa kapakinabangan ng ating mga mamamayan.
Coloma assured that the government's economic management team is closely monitoring the country's inflation rate to prevent the impact on the public. Based on the survey, 50% of the respondents believe that the government should enhance measures to lower prices of basic commodities, salary adjustments for state workers, 49%, and to continue the fight against graft and corruption at 41%, while 6% favor a charter change and 5% are interested in territorial disputes with China.
Ay pupunto natin na talaga namang tinututukan niya ng ating economic management team at maging ng Bangko Sentral. Napababa na nga yung inflation from a high of 4.9%, nasa 4.4 na tayo ngayon. At patuloy pa rin binabantayan to ng ating Bangko Sentral dahil sila yung pangunahing ahensya sa paglaban sa inflation, and they have all the tools of monetary policy para ma-regulate yan. Pati na rin yung total liquidity in the banking system, no, at iba pang mga indicators, no. Sila ay nasa posisyon para tuwirang masabat, no, yung threats of inflation. At pinagtutulungan naman yan ng ating economic management team at ng Bangko Sentral.
Coloma said that the Budget Department continues coordinating with Congress to find acceptable fundings for possible salary hikes.
Nakikipag-ugnayan ng ating Department of Budget and Management sa Kongreso, no, sapagkat ito ay dapat maipasa sa pamagitan ng batas yung paghahanap ng katanggap-tanggap na funding sources. Pwede rin lang naman makuha yan from additional tax collections, no? At kung meron naman po tayong patakaran, no, na hanggat maari ay pahuhusayin na lamang ang tax collections, no, dahil ayaw naman po nating mag-impose ng new taxes maliban na lang dun sa mga bunga dun sa sin tax reform. Kaya patuloy naman yung pagsisikap at nais naman itong maisagawa sa lalong madaling panahon.
The survey was conducted during the investigation on the alleged overpriced Makati parking building, the calls for PNP Chief Alan Purisima's resignation, and the additional authority for the President to address possible energy crisis next year. On the fight against corruption, Malacanang encouraged the public to continue supporting the government to end graft and corruption.
Dati kasi ang mga bagay na yan ay napag-uusapan lamang o nababalitaan lamang o nandun lamang sa level ng mga congressional hearings. Ngayon ay nakita ng mga mamamayan na naisulong na yung prosekusyon, kumikilos yung yung Office of the Ombudsman, na nakapagsampa ng mga kaso sa Sandigan Bayan. Sa akin palagay ang lahat ng elementong ito ay nakapaglikha ng mas mataas na kamalayan or heightened awareness and consciousness among our people, which boosts their confidence that government will do what is needed to make public officials accountable under our laws.
Coloma said this following the allegations of corruption against Vice President Jojo Marbinay and PNP Chief Purisima. He said there is no sacred cow in the fight against corruption.
Ang activity na ito ay initiated by a subcommittee of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. At kinikilala naman natin ang karapatan ng Senado at ng Kongreso na magsagawa ng mga pagsisiyasat na katulad nito in aid of legislation at in performance of their oversight function dahil nga nagbibigay sila ng pondo sa iba't ibang sangay ng gobyerno.
Binay and Purisima have already denied the accusations and expressed their readiness to face any investigation. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.